So a lot of you guys have come across this kind of website that's for phone number verification, or this kind of website that's for phone number verification. Yes, you have around this website, this type of website, whereby you when you create an account. So let me log in and show you what I mean. So when you create an account in the site, it will take you to your dashboard. So on this place, you could buy phone number for phone number verification, as you can see, United States phone number, and select which phone number you want to buy. So you can select it from this area, as you can see. So a lot of you guys have come across these kind of platforms, as you see, and you want to build it, you want to learn how to build it, but you do not know how to build it. So I want to show you how you can do that right now, how you can build something like this or this. So let's get started. Now the first thing you need is Namecheap, which is a domain name. A domain name is what you need to build this kind of website. Yes, a domain name. So you need a domain name to build this kind of website, and to get a domain name, I recommend you to Namecheap. The link in the description to actually purchase a domain name from Namecheap. And if you use the link, you're actually using my affiliate link, and you get a domain name for $6. So right now we're going to choose a name. So let's say we are appealing to Nigeria audience. We could say something like um, SMS verification, okay, FI, or verify. Let me just use something like this .com. So we could do something like this and click on search, and it's going to search if that name is available. Mind you, I'm coming. Let me remove this from cart. I just did this before for a previous tutorial, so let me remove this. I just did a tutorial on how to create online banking website, so that's why I have that there. Now see SMS verify.com. So search. Now once you search your domain name, you're going to check if the domain name is available. Now the first thing in building this kind of website is to think if a domain name is available. So the domain name is what people will have to visit. Like this, now this one is using .com.ng, this is using a .com. So they both are similar website, but they are using different domain extension. So depending on which you choose, you could use a .com.ng, you could use a .com, but most approximately it's better to use a .com.ng, sorry, a .com or a .net, because it shows professionalism. Or better still, use a .africa. So now we're going to check if this is available. As you can see, it's available. $6 49 cents if you use the promo code newcom 4649. Now I'm going to click on add to cart. Now, oh, the domain name was banned. It was actually banned, as you can see. Okay, so the domain name was banned because it contains fields that cannot be registered. So I think it's the verific or whatever. So anyway, you could pick the .com or whatever domain name you choose. So let's say SMS very, okay, see, $11.28. Click on add to cart. Now you have it on your cart. Now remember to use your what's it called now, your promo code when you are making payment. Now click on shared hosting. Come down here, you see this plan allow you to have 3 websites on one hosting. So click on get started with the cheapest plan, because it's just the hosting you did. Now once you click on get started, it will tell you to come up with a new domain name, the one already in cart, and then you click on add to cart. So you just successfully added your domain name and your hosting to cart. This is where you add your promo code. Now you add your promo code here, and then you confirm order. Once you click on confirm order, it will ask you to either create an account or log in with your initial account. So if you have an old account, you can log in. If you do not have, you can create an account. Then you will be given your cPanel details. Now I already have my cPanel details, so I'm going to log into my cPanel and show you from there, and we'll continue from there. Now this is going to be a long tutorial, so take a sip, take a drink, sip one, and sit. Let's get interested. Now after you get this, you'll be given your cPanel details. So I'm going to log into my cPanel. All right, so welcome back to Alright, so welcome to my cPanel. Right now you see this is my cPanel. Now you will also be giving your details to log into your cPanel, so it's easy. Just check your email, you see your details to log into your cPanel. Now once you get here, search for file manager. Now we're going to go through everything here, but I'm not going to start explaining what everything that is here, but I'm just going to go through the main thing that is actually important to us. Now I have a tutorial on my channel called cPanel Full Mastery Tutorial, so you can actually go there and pick that video and watch. So that is it. Now come here, select search for file manager, and it will bring this for you. Then open it in a new tab. Now come to your public underscore HTML, click on public underscore HTML of your website, click on public underscore HTML and click on upload. Now I'm not going to use the public underscore HTML. I want to use the tutorials domain I bought from Native to actually do this tutorial. So click on public underscore for yours, you're going to click on public underscore HTML because you are really hosting this site. For me, I'm just doing a tutorial for you guys. So yes, I have this site, I have one of these sites. Yes, that is my own. So one of them is my own, so that's why I'm showing you how to do it. So click on tutorials.com, click on upload, select file. So let me search for the file, or so this is the file. I'm going to click on open and it's going to upload right now. Alright, we have the file installed. So click on go back and come here, extract the file. Click on extract. So as you click on extract, click on close. As you can see, this is the file. I'm going to select everything, move them to the public underscore, sorry, the main folder of my website. So for yours, it's going to be the public underscore HTML. Click on move files. So now that I've moved it to the main folder, which you're going to move your own to the main public underscore HTML. This is the file. As you can see, this is the file. So now one thing I want to let you guys know is, for this file, you have your admin URL here. So we're going to talk about that later actually. So let's go open our website. So you copy your domain name. You first of all go open it and see if it is active. So click on open. As you can see, this is the domain name and it's active and it's working. So you can click on register and yes, it's actually working. So we are good. So we are on the same page now. As you can see, we already installed this. So the next thing is to come back to your panel right now. So you come back to your panel. Now you look for so you come back to your panel, you look for the include folder. And in the include folder, there is a folder called config.php. Now you click on it, you click on edit, and it's going to bring you here. Now pay attention very well, guys. Pay attention very well. Now you go to your cPanel, look for database wizard. Database wizard is where you create database. Now enter whatever you want to call your database. So I'm going to call my database demo. Click on next. I'm going to call it demo as well, because I'm going to delete this after this tutorial. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. Paste it here as well. So remember, I'm pasting the same thing. So I'm going to click on create. So once I click create, I'm going to give it all privilege and I'm going to click on make changes. So I'm going to go back to the config page. Now replace this thing you're seeing here. I'm going to replace it with the database I just created. So now we have this replaced. Now there is another thing you need to do. Once you're done with that, go to Flutterwave. Now that's if you're going to use Flutterwave, go to flutterwave.com. As you get to Flutterwave, it's going to take you to the Nigeria part NG. So now click on register. So create a free account. So once you click on create a free account, they will actually onboard you and then you tell them about your business. Now you're going to select your country, so Nigeria. Now business for freelancers, you can see you click on it and then you create account. Now they're going to give you an API key. So I cannot explain this. I don't want to do Flutterwave tutorial. There are a lot of Flutterwave tutorial there, so just take one. So they're going to give you an API key, which is the secret key. So you're going to carry the secret key and paste it here. As you can see, this is the Flutterwave secret key. So you're going to paste your own here like this. Yes, just like you saw I did just now. You paste your Flutterwave secret key here and then you click on save changes. Now that is done. Now let's go back and look for PHP. Search for PHP my admin. Open this in a new tab. Then you go to the one you just created. So I'm just going to be doing for demo. So you click on import and you select the database. So I'm going to type in my database. So this is the SQL file, as you can see. So I'm going to click on open and I'm going to import this. Now as you can see, my file has actually been imported correctly. Now imported correctly. So the next thing I want to do here is to come to settings. Now these settings, you're going to call set it up according to your own website. So this one, let's say tutorials. Assuming this is my website name, tutorials. So you're going to come here. If you want to use crypto, you can set up crypto ID and all that. But the other important thing, which is the crypto API, the other important thing you want to do here is to come here for this capture secret key and capture public key. Now this capture public key and capture secret key, where did you get it from? You go to Google. Sorry, Google Recaptcha. So go Recaptcha. You go to search for it. Now this is the Recaptcha page for Google. So you click on it and you get started. Now you get started. There's a full video here on how it is done. You get started and then they will give you a secret key and a public key. You come back here, you paste your public key here, you come here, you paste your secret key here. Now once you're done with that, you can then go to your website. So here's our website here. You can come to your website and click on register and people can be able to register. Right now you cannot register because the capture key will not work, but once you set up your capture key, it is going to work. Show up here. So I already have a capture key, so let me see if I can log in. So okay, go to dashboard. Now my capture key cannot work for your website. Your capture key cannot work on my website, so just have that in mind. So you have to go register yours. So here it's my capture key located. So let me see my settings. Don't know where do I look for this capture key. So I already have two websites on my capture key. I don't know where how I locate them again. I don't know, guys. I just want to do this up for you guys, but I don't know where how I could find my capture key anymore. Dashboard save program. Anyway, just create an account and then you see the whole process. It's very easy. I've forgotten how I create my capture key account. As you can see, if you click on get started, so you go through with it, click on get started, and this is how I created mine. So they'll give you both keys and you come here, you paste both key, then people can be able to register on your platform. But now, because I cannot register because of the capture key, I've got to go back, come to users. So go to users data. I want to make one of the account an admin account. Now you can come here, choose any of the account you like and turn it to an admin account so that you can use it. So I'm going to use this one, so just call it tutorials. Tutorials.com. So now this is the one I'm going to use. So you see here there is add users. As you can see, there's user here. I could change his account to the main admin to this. What do I have to do? Just click here, right, admin, and I'm good. Now the next thing is I want to come here and click on edit, because I don't know the password of these accounts and I have to know the password to be able to actually log in. So to do that, I will just come here, go to password, type in my password. So let me type in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So I'm going to come here, look for MD, search your MD5, and then you click on go. So once you click on go, it will actually show up here, and then you have actually changed the password. So let me copy this email and go log in. Now to access your admin, pay attention very well, guys. To access your admin, it's same process. So I'm going to enter the email address, just copy. Now our password was 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So I'm going to click on sign in. So alright, I've logged in. So this is the account right now. So people can buy numbers from here. Just click on buy numbers and they are taken to where they can buy numbers with ease. Select the country, select which number they want. Now this is to go to the admin. Now this is how you enter your users page. Now to go to your admin, now remember when I said I will show you guys something about the admin page. Now this is how to access the admin page. You can change this file name to anything you want, and that is how you enter your admin page. So this one is what we use to enter our admin page, or this one is what we're going to use to enter our admin page. So you can change it to your name. You can just put Victor here, and your admin will be /Victor. So now let me show you. Once this is open in this tab, pay attention. Once this is open in this tab, now copy this link, go to a new tab. Don't close that old tab. Now you see this old tab is here. Don't close this old tab. Come to this new tab, paste it, go to your admin, whatever you are calling your admin, just copy it. You can rename it to whatever you choose. So put it in the middle, then put /. So right now it is radium_admin /dashboard. So once you click on enter, to take you to your admin, straightforward. Now you do not have to waste any time. As you can see, take you to your admin. Now this was the first account I was trying. It was blocked by the platform because the password was too easy. So this was blocked. Now you have this. Now as you can see, this is our dashboard. Now this is the first solution to the first problem. We are about to enter the second problem, and on this second problem you have to be smart. This second problem is a big problem, but you have to be smart, guys. Okay, so as I said before, hope you have your water, hope you have your drink. Now take a sip, because I'm going to enter to stage 2. Let me take a sip as well. All right, we are back. So this is the second phase right now. The second phase require you adding an API. Now if you click on show API, you see this is the API that is here, but it is not valid. So I'm going to remove this API from our back end. So come here, look for your API. Where's the API here? API, this is API recharge, that is Flutter with API details. So this is the API available. So I'm going to delete this. We do not need this. So come back here, If you refresh, the API is no longer here. So now let's add our API service. So click on add API. Now this API is where you get your, what's it called now, the connection or your phone number verification from. So let's go to a site called SMS Man. I've forgotten how you access it. SMS Man. Now this is SMS Man. Now you can use any site of your choice. You can use any site of your choice, or let me use Tigersman so that one will be easy. TigerSMS.com. So as you can see, Tiger SMS and SMS Man, they are both good. I've used both of them, so you can use any one of your choice. Now all you have to do is to come here and click on API connection. For if you are using Tiger SMS, SMS Man. If you are using Tiger SMS, click on API. Now you log in with your account. So let me log in. So this is not my account, this is my account, sorry. So this is the account. So click on verify that you're a woman. Now this is the same capture thing they are using here, so you have to be sure to set your own. This one is for Cloudflare. So as you can see, this is the account I have right now. So for this is the API. As you can see, this is the API. So you can get the list of current price. All of them are here. Get list of countries. As you can see, list of countries is here. So as you can see, now let's use that of SMS Man because I have money here, I don't have money there. So go back, click on your email here. It's going to come here. You're going to show your API. So click on copy. Now copy your API key. Now the same thing for this one. If you click here, click on your profile, you are going to see your API key. This is your API key. You can copy it, or you can generate a new API. As you can see, generate, you copy it. So now that you've copied it, go to your admin platform. Now the name of your API, now let's say this is Tigersman. Now your API URL, so you enter your API key first because we just copied it. Now our API URL, this is our API URL. So here's the API page. I'm going to open this in a new tab. So come here. So this is the API page right now. You can see a list of country, available phone numbers. You can see it is here. So you can see table of services. It will show you all the service available, or you can see table for countries. So this is everything about the API. So you could pick your service here, but let's go for the let me set up the, before I take you guys around the bush so you miss everything. So API URL, this is your API URL, API dot Tigersman. So you could use any platform, API dot whatever platform. Then you click on submit. Then you click on OK. Now we have done that. If you go to show API, you see the amount in my account is here. This is my API key. This is it. That is the first. Okay, this is the second stage. Now go take a sip of water. We'll continue. I told you guys this tutorial is long, and you don't want to miss it up, because one single missing, you have to come to my DM and tell me that this thing, your script is not working, this is not working, this is not working, and then me, I will not tell you, bring money for me to install it for you, and then I will collect up to 50,000 naira for your hand from you to do this. So please be patient. You cannot rush this thing at once. It took me about from October till I think January to be able to do some customization. So you have to be patient when doing this. So go take a sip of water. We'll continue. All right, welcome back. So now we have added our API. So the next thing is to add a server. Now server simply represent countries. So server represent countries on the platform. As you can see, you have a lot of countries. So servers just represent country, and you can either edit the country. As you can see, click on edit the country here, or you add your own. So let's say we want to do Denmark now. current API is Tigersman. So as you can see, so assuming we want to edit the country Denmark, we'll go to Tigersman website because that's what we are using right now. So let me move this closer. Go to Tigersman website. We look for Denmark. So scroll downward, go to country. I don't need service yet. Go to countries. So the easiest way to just search Denmark. So it will take me to, what's the right spelling now? Denmark. So Denmark. So DEN. So Denmark, and it's 172. So it's 172 and you have 172 here. So now that means I got my so I've set the API for that country, for each of the country. If you are getting this script for me, that means you are not going to bother to do countries. But if, assuming there is no country, you decide to delete it to add your, just come to add server here, select your server, select the server name, and then select the country ID and click on submit. So that means the server's name, let's assume we are doing for CZ Republic. So I'm going to copy this. Now the ID is 63, so I'm going to come here, paste the server's name, then put the country ID 63 and click on add category. So it will automatically add it. So let's do that. It automatically add it to the list of servers we already have, which is everything here. Now the next thing is to now go to add service. So this is the add service option. So to add a service, select your country, any country of your choice. So go to the service ID. So this is what's it called now? What country? Let's say we are doing Australia. So let me look for Australia. So Australia. Okay, this is Australia. Australia is 50. Now remember this ID, this is 50, because there's a link you're going to carry. So now where's the link? Get phone number, get balance, pricing. Okay, so let's say we are doing for WhatsApp. Now let me look for WhatsApp. Now you come here, you click on the service. Before I forget, you click on service drop down, search for WhatsApp. Now you already know that the ID for WhatsApp is WA. So now scroll downward, look for this link here. This is the link. Now look for this link, copy this link. Now on this link, you see this red part shows your API, this other part shows your service, then this last part shows the country. So let's copy this, go to a new tab, paste it. Now go get my API, come here. This is where API started from, right? And where does it end? Here. So I'm going to replace this with my own personal API. Now service, the service we are using right now is WhatsApp, so I'm going to remove this and put WA. Then the country was Australia, that's 50. That's also. So I'm going to click enter, and it's going to tell me if that service is available. So there's no service available. That's why it's showing me print right now. There's no service available for Australia. So let's do okay, we do the API key, service, and then the country. So let's do for, you enter your API key, enter your action, and then your price, get price. So this is Telegram TN, and then you enter the country ID. So you click on enter, see, and it's going to tell you how much it costs. So as you can see, this is service, country is 50, Telegram 10, and the price is 85.98 naira. So this is how much it costs right now. So what you're going to do next is to go to a website called, now if you come to your dashboard, you notice that this is P, this is a Russian currency. So Russian ruby to naira. So you go to the Russian ruby to naira. So just go to, I like this website, I use this website most times, wise.com. So all you just have to do is to put the amount here, and then you see how much they are charging you. So as you can see, they are charging you about 13389. So what you do from here, since they are charging you this amount, is to add your own profit. So we say let's add like 500 naira to it. So add your 500 naira, then you go to the country. So here's our website. So this is supposed to be our website, right? So this is our website. So go to your website. No, that's not the website. Okay, this is our website. So you come to your website. So let's assume we are selecting what's the country we're doing just now, guys. So just go to the country. The country is Canada. Okay, Canada. Then you click on select. So you come here, you just edit. So now we did Telegram, so you click on edit on Telegram, and you just add the price. So remember the price was 13 something, so I could just make it like 1980, and then click on submit. So as you can see, I've just updated the price for Telegram. You understand? So that is how it is. Very, very easy. So once you do that, everything will work perfect. Now if you go to your user account, click on buy number, come here, click on the server. You're going to see when you go to Canada, to the Telegram 1980. So anybody can just click on it and buy number directly. So the reason it's showing error because an admin cannot buy a number from this platform. You understand? So use a user's account and you can purchase number. So I think that is everything for this tutorial. So I hope to see you on my next video. So don't forget, thank you for sticking still. So